Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Titus. Now in this video, I'm here to show you guys how to propagate your Oxalis. Okay, so at the moment it's still summer and this Oxalis is just flourishing really well. Now believe it or not, inside this tiny terracotta pot there's only 3 corms that I had in there initially. Now these Oxalis are actually really easy to propagate. Okay, they're very popular at the moment in the market, but I didn't realize how easy they are to propagate. Okay, so to propagate it, as you can see, okay, it's actually a leaf with a huge stem. Now they're very popular purely because they almost look like flowers the way it is. They're very colorful in its nature. And often they react to sunlight. So if there's a bright sun outside, like outside my window at the moment, then usually they would be out, okay? At night, usually they fold back in, okay? And if it's in direct sunlight, usually they fold back in, but they can tolerate direct sunlight as well. So these are quite amazing plants, actually. All right, going back to the propagation. Now to propagate it, all you have to do is get a leaf like this, select any leaf really, like probably before winter hits. I'm probably gonna start propagating all these leaves, or maybe I should do it now. But usually I would pick like a semi-damaged leaf like this one, okay, and I would usually then grab a pair of scissors, okay, clean ones, and then I would usually just snip that off, cut it, and then pop it into sphagnum moss. Now I have tried popping it into water before and I found that the cutting actually rots, but I found that if you pop that cutting into a sphagnum moss like this one, then they actually start developing their own corm. And actually if you look further down inside, look at that, there's like new tiny growths there, okay? So how amazing is this plant? Now what you guys probably don't see, or I can't show, is it's actually grown a tiny corm in there that I will then be able to repropagate and repot into a plant where it can then grow into a bushy plant again like this. All right, so that's how easy it is to actually propagate Oxalis. Now if you want to know how a corm looks like, I will post an image of that just down here on the side. Alright, if you guys found that video useful, then please hit that like button. If you do want to see me make more videos like this, then please go ahead and subscribe. If you guys have any comments whatsoever, then please let me know as well. Otherwise, I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, goodbye and God bless.